All right, good morning. Today is Tuesday, September 15th, 2020. It is an A day, so you will have science today. If you remember last week, we said we were going to do this asynchronously, which means that we will not meet on Google Meet today during our scheduled time. Instead, you will work through the lesson independently and you will email me if you need help, and we can set up an individual Google Meet, or you can come to the Ask the Teacher hours from 1:10 to 2 using the code Ask Miss K, and I will be there to help you with today's lesson and assignment. So, first thing you may notice when you open up your life science course is it should automatically go to your updates now. I need you to be checking those updates every day or every A day. That's where you'll find out and to make sure if we're synchronous or asynchronous that day, if we're going to meet in person or not. And that's where you'll get important information like our daily videos. So let's go ahead and start with our materials. We're going to use the green folder because that's our current folder. You can see I've turned last week blue already. If you did not complete last week's assignments, you can still go in there and do that. The scavenger hunt and our connections cycle 1 cover letter need to be completed from last week. And then we're going to move on to this week, which is green, cycle 1, week 2, C1W2. And that runs from September 14th through 18th. Let's first take a look at our work plan for the week. Remember, this is not an additional assignment with our distance learning. It's to help us guide our learning and for you to plan your time so you know what you need to do and when you need to do it by. So we're starting to work on generating scientific conclusions and thinking about the scientific process. Today, we're going to set up our science notebooks. So this week, your A days are Tuesday and Thursday. So today, we're going to set up your science notebook and take notes on science and science and life science. Sorry, guys, I need to change that. You will set up your science notebook with a table of contents. You'll number the pages, you'll label the cover, and then you'll take some notes on page 5. If you look ahead on Thursday, we are going to do a pre-assessment. Now that it's 7th and 8th grade, we really want to know, what do you still know about the process of science and all the steps and vocabulary that's involved in that to kind of guide what we need to plan for the beginning of this year. Now, if we go back, you can see our other green folder is today, Tuesday, September 15th. We have our Ignite, Chunk, Chew, and Review. Your Ignite is to watch this short video. Number 1, watch the video below. As you watch, think about the differences between typed notes and handwritten notes. And then you'll write a discussion post responding to the following. Why is note-taking an important skill to learn and practice? After you are done with today's Ignite discussion post, you'll move on to our Chunk and our Chew, which is the notebook setup. So we told you last week that you will need a notebook, right? Composition notebook tends to work the best. They hold up all year. If you have a spiral notebook, that will work. And you are going to go through and you're going to do your table of contents and number all of our pages. And then you're going to get started with some notes. And all that's in these videos. So please watch the videos so that everybody has their notebook set up the right way. If you remember way back, if you're in 8th grade, if you remember way back to 6th grade, how frustrated some of us would get if our notebooks weren't numbered correctly and we asked you to go to a certain page in your notebook. So setup will include name, class, year on the cover. Number 2, table of contents is going to be on pages 1 through 3. And number 3, numbered pages, right side will be odd numbers, left side will be even numbers. And so make sure that you are watching the videos and checking out the pictures I posted to help you figure out how to set up your table of contents and number your pages. Then down here for the Chew, now it's time to actually use your notebook that's all set up to take some notes. And so you'll watch this video. I go through all the notes with you. And then you'll set your notes up on page 5. You'll review these slides. If you need to know more about Cornell Notes and how we set those up, there's another video in there. So you can go ahead and review the slides. Some of this may look familiar if you were in my science class before. Right? So this is how we're setting up our notebook, and then the information you are going to put in your notebook. And again, all of that is in this video. So don't skip the videos, please. If you're going to show up at my Google Meet and ask for help, the first question I'm going to ask today is, did you watch the videos? And if you haven't, I'm going to have you go back and watch the videos before I help you move forward on this. And your review is just to submit photos of your completed work. So take photos of the following: your table of contents, your notes vocabulary on page 5. Remember, right side equals odd numbers, left side equals even numbers. Submit your pictures to earn credit for this assignment. Any questions on that? Then I will see you during the Ask the Teacher time between 1:10 and 2 with Ask Miss K, or if you would like Miss Kelsey's help, you can join hers with Miss Kelsey office hours during that time. Make it a great day, right? Our first independent asynchronous day. I know you guys can do this. Remember, if you need a notebook, you need to let me know, because this is an assignment for today. And I can put notebooks over at Parkway for when we're doing instrument pickup this week or library pickup. You'll be able to pick up a notebook there as well. Thank you.